Well, hello and welcome back. This is question 10 of the complex trig handout. This question is not in your textbook. I have taken the liberty, because this is rather small. Actually, before we get into that, what does it ask you? Find the x distance in the V thread two different ways. So they want you to do it two different ways. It's the same problem. So I've blown this up a bit. So they want to find it two different ways. Okay. Way number one for me is I'm going to bisect this angle. Sorry, that's the printer printing. Apparently she wants to print off 50 copies. Okay, so what do we have? We have this height and we have this angle. You're like, no, Ray, we have this angle. Well, you're correct. So I'm going to go 38, 30, divide by 2. 38 DMS 30 divide by 2 equals 15 degrees, or sorry, 19 degrees, 15 minutes. Okay, so if this is my triangle, this is my angle, this here is going to be my adjacent, this is my opposite, and this here's my hypotenuse. So I want to find, what I want to find I put on top all the time. I put an opposite on top over adjacent. So what is opposite over adjacent? Well, I look at my chart and I see opposite over adjacent. I'm going to use tan. What does that look like? Looks just like this. So I'm going to go tan 19 degrees 15 minutes times 0.375. I'm going to go tan 19 DMS 15 equals times 0.375 equals 0.130952, or sorry, 5 something. Now that's only from here to here. I need from there to there. So times 2 equals 0.261911725. We'll go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X equals. Okie dokie. I hope that helps. Stay tuned for the next one. Well, wait no longer. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a triangle that goes across here. These guys are equal lengths here. So if this angle here is 3830, what is this angle and this angle? So let's try 3830. Let's go 180 minus 3830 divide by 2. Bracket 180 minus 3830 divide by 2 equals 70 Well, we'll keep it in DMS since we're here. Second function DMS. 70, 45. So this guy here is 70, 45. This guy here is 70, 45. You're like, well, Ray, what does that give me? Okay. What we don't see is, on this guy here, is this h equals. Okay? So let's write this out. We're going to go h equals L over cot A plus cot B. Okay? We want to get L by itself, so we're going to multiply this side by cot A, cot B. So L equals H times cot A plus cot B. Okay. So let's put some numbers to this. Our H, so L equals, our H is 0.375 times cotangent 70 degrees 45 minutes plus cotangent 70 degrees 45 minutes. I guess I could have went that times 2, but that's fine. So let's figure out what our cotangent is. So we're going to go tan 70 DMS 45 equals second function 1 over equals. So this guy here is 0.34921563, and I'm going to say times 2, which equals 0.698431,266. Then I'm going to times it by 0.375 equals, that number looks familiar, right? X, which is actually H, equals 0.261911725. Get rid of this, keep this. Two 2619. That is the second way of calculating this. I hope that helps you. Remember, ask questions.